Hello everyone. In this video given is a circle in which four squares are inserted in such a way that one corner of each square is coinciding with one corner of another square. If the area of each square is 16 square units, then by this limited data we have to find the radius of circle. Let we move towards the solution. Since area of each square is 16 square units, then side length of each square is equal to 4 units. Let we mark the center point of the circle and we draw a perpendicular line to this chord. Let we call this point as A and this point as B. We know that if a radial line is perpendicular to a chord, then it divides the chord into two equal parts. Since this whole length is 4 units, so AB length is 2 units. Now let we draw the line segment OB, which is actually the radius of circle, and let we call it as R. Now this is a patch of length. Let we call this patch of length as x. Since this length is 4, this length is 4 and this is x, so this whole length is OA length is 8 plus x. And the OAB is a right triangle. By using Pythagorean theorem on this right triangle, we have 8 plus x square plus 2 square, that is equal to r square, and if we simplify it we will get x square plus 16x plus 68 is equal to r square. Let we call it as equation number 1. We made some another construction in the figure. We draw a line from point A to this point. Let's say this point is Q. So this is again a radial line of the circle. We extend this line segment up to point P and extend this line segment up to point P in such a way that QP is perpendicular to OP, and from here we can see that this length is 6 units, while this length OP length is 8 minus x. So this green shaded triangle is a right triangle. Using Pythagorean theorem on this right triangle, we have 8 minus x square plus 6 square is equal to r square, and after simplification we will get x square minus 16x plus 100 is equal to r square. Let we call it as equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we can see that right side of these both equation is equal to r square. It means left side of these equation is also equal. So by comparison we have this relation. X square will be cancelled out with x square, and after simplification we have 32x is equal to 32, and from here x is equal to 1. So substituting the value of x in any of these equations, let we are going to substitute in 1, x is equal to 1, and after simplification we will get r square is equal to 85, and thus r is square root of 85. That is the answer. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching.